So here we have the two halves of our pen blank. Again, one's a little bit longer than the other one, and we need to mount them on the lathe. Now there's a special system designed for mounting pen blanks on the lathe, and we call it a mandrel system, a pen mandrel. This is it. You'll see that there's a Morse taper that fits into the headstock on this one. And as you look at this, you'll see also that there are some spacer bushings. These spacer bushings separate the pieces so you've got room to work with your tool. They also give you the critical diameters of the pen parts that you need to turn the wood down to. And so we'll put that in position like that, and we can take off that little nut that's at the end. Now this one I'm going to mount so that the tip of the pen, here's my grain match that I want, I'm going to put what's going to be the tip of the pen toward the headstock. That really doesn't matter. That's not too critical. And so there's one bushing right here. We'll slide that forward, put in another bushing, which gives us a little bit of clearance and space there. And then we'll put the second pen blank on there. And this is where it's important that the grain match line up, so that when we complete the pen, you have that nice match between both halves of the pen. And then we'll put another spacer bushing there, and then the brass nut on the end, which compresses them all together. We want to tighten this down so that it's snug but not over tight. And we'll bring the tailstock up into position. Notice that the point that I have on the tailstock is going to fit nice and tight into the dimple on the end of the mandrel. So we'll bring that forward. A little bit of pressure from the tailstock, just enough to make it firm. We don't want to over tighten the tailstock because it may flex the mandrel and make it so that it doesn't run through. And the pen blank now is mounted on the lathe and ready to start the turning process.